Welcome to Dan Eaji YouTube. Collins Imudia Foundation. They try to see how he won't fit take help these women wey come in office today. They look for help. So make I leave you now with Collins Imudia, make you for hear the women story where they carry come.
Yes. A warm good afternoon to you all across the world. I remain yours truly, Collins Imudia, CEO, Collins Imudia Foundation International. I'm glad to be with you all today. I'm grateful to God for life, right? It's a beautiful Wednesday afternoon right here in Nigeria, Edo State, Benin City, the ancient city. We are glad it's quite sunny out here, not raining. The weather is very clear. And then everybody in Benin City is going about their normal business. Good afternoon to you, Unquenchable Stella. Unquenchable Stella Imoa, and good afternoon to you. Okay, I see members of my WhatsApp group have been notified that I'm live. I guess they will all join us. For those who are not at work, for those who are at work, we understand. And good afternoon to you, especially Rita Johnson. Good afternoon. Oh, John Best. Good afternoon. Princess Ifeanyi, my ever supportive Princess Ifeanyi from Portugal. Good afternoon. Yeah. So it's a beautiful Wednesday afternoon out here. And then our normal routine. We have a lot of these women around already. But today is not a day for donation, because every day in English, they say no be Christmas. We understand that people want to do good, but it cannot just be every day. But that should not stop us from coming out to address our people who are my followers, my supporters, my fans. Yeah. Albert Jonathan, good afternoon to you, bro. Maris, good afternoon. Harry Potter, I see you too. Yeah. So today we'll just get to invite them. Let's hear their story and reschedule them for another day where we'll make a passionate appeal. Because we cannot be doing passionate appeal every day. Who supported today might not be able to support tomorrow. Who supported the day before yesterday might not be able to support the next day. Please share this video. And then let's get all our guys in. Akugbe Jesu, good afternoon. Please press the share button and let's invite our friends so they join us. Yeah. Mr. Johnson, you say you like my t-shirt. Thank you so much. Thank you for liking my t-shirt. Yeah, so we'll just listen to the ladies, get to hear their story, and reschedule them for another day to come without wasting much time. Because as it stands, we are already collating for our food sharing process, which we have been telling all our supporters across the world to please partake in. Osamakwe, I greet you specially. Yeah. So we are planning to go for food sharing first week of next month, which is next week. So we've been appealing and speaking to supporters and lovers of good things to please support this process of food sharing to the common man. It is not everybody that can come to Collins Imudia Foundation office to say I need help. There are many people at home in the streets. They don't have food. Those are the people who should take food to their doorstep. We don't have a specific area in mind. If you are new to us, you would find out that we go about this normal food sharing every month, once a month, yeah. So please, if God lays it in your hand to support this process, and you say you are a supporter of Collins Media Foundation, let your hand be felt on or before Monday. Between now and Monday, let's get to see your support for food sharing, so that by Monday we'll go and pay for the bags of rice, bags of beans. If na one bag you fit buy, na good thing. Anything where your hand reach na something. By the time we put them together, tie them in nylons. One rubber of rice, one rubber of beans, yam, two yam, Indomie for children, one, two. It depends on how many children we meet in the streets and how we can do. Yeah, so we'll have a plans of doing that. Adaiki, good afternoon. I see you. This is Adaiki. Good afternoon. You understand? So that's what we are saying now. So between now and Monday, please let us support Collins Media Foundation food process. Yeah, Rome was not built in a day. We are just a new foundation. We will not. We are not in competition with anybody. We are not imitating anybody. We are doing what we think the common man needs. And being a foundation that is just 4 months old, it is of great credit to us to have achieved so far what Collins Media Foundation have achieved. And on that note, I want to say a big thank you to all of you who support Collins Media Foundation. If at 4 months we were able to do this, you can imagine in 3 years or 2 years. So I want to appreciate you all for standing by Collins Media Foundation with your prayers, with your finance, with everything, encouragement. For those just joining us, get to know that Collins Media Foundation is just about 4 months old. And within the space of these 4 months, we have done exploits by the special grace of Almighty God. We will do our 100 days in office review very soon. Yeah, because we wanted to do it when it completed 100 days. But then some other persons told me it's just new. So why not make it 200 days in office? I said, okay, no problem. Yeah, I'm targeting somewhere around 6 months, where we can come out to say, this is what we have done, this is what we have done. What we have achieved now, some foundations did not achieve it in 1 year. In the space of 4 months, we've been able to rescue a kidney patient to a very large extent. In fact, we, Collins Media Foundation, is the leading foundation in Edo State that have helped that guy with the highest sum of money I've received. I stand to be corrected. And then we got a guy with the amputated leg. We went to fix the leg. Yeah. Fix the leg. We are setting up a business for him now. Not to talk of the widows we've been setting up businesses for across the states. Countless food sharing processes we have done. One rubber of rice, take home and feed your family. One rubber of beans, take home and feed your family. Two yam, groundnut oil, Indomie. Yeah, we've gone around the town trying to affect common man. We know how many widows will pay their house rent. We've set up skill acquisition for children of widows. We are responsible for the businesses of many widows in Benin City, still thriving now as I'm talking to you. Single mothers neglected by husbands, we've rescued them, set up Indomie business. A lot we have done. All this were facilitated by God Almighty, using you, Collins Media Foundation supporters. In the space of just 4 months, look at how beautiful an office is for me. God see you all. God bless you all. How much more can I not say thank you to you for giving me the platform, for trusting in me, for believing in my vision, for sticking back to say, Kai, I like what this guy is doing. He's very transparent. And that is our watchword. God bless everybody who has contributed. Those who have stopped contributing, God bless you for ever contributing at a point in time. If you didn't contribute that time, maybe we won't be here today. All those who contributed 3 months ago, 5,000, 10,000, 60,000, 150,000, and today they are no more supporting Collins Media Foundation. You are watching me from across the world. God bless your family. Because if not you, that time, we will be where we are today. And I promised that time that I will not change for anything, and I maintain my status quo. So for those that say they are no more supporting for a reason or two, to me it is being selfish as an individual, because if you want to charge somebody, you must have a case, something to hold. Okay, I called Collins, I did this and he didn't do it. I did this, Collins did not mention my name. A lot goes through my head daily. I cannot possibly be mentioning the names of everybody in the world. The fact that I did not mention your name does not mean that I love you less. Whoever I mentioned their name today, it's not as if I love them more. There was a time I was singing your own name. These people were also watching. They were still supporting. So please, greed is not a good thing for a human being. I don't function with it, and I live a very fluent and transparent life. So I want to appreciate you for that, your support that time. If not your 5,000 that time, we won't be here today. If you had not forwarded us to move with your support that time, there won't have been a next week where we now met another person who now took it up to say, this guy not good for, I will raise him. It should be a thing of joy to you anywhere in the world to say, I started with this guy, today see where he is, and I'm still with him. That is the beauty of it. It is not a thing of joy to say, now we start because they do it. Was there a time I don't have pride in me? I have my own faults. I can be paranoid at a point in time, but I get to manage myself. But that's not pride. Yeah. So I'm praying to Almighty God for more achievements. Just like my brother just said now, Kevin Okoje. Amen to you. God bless you all. So the fact that I don't mention anybody's name and I'm mentioning some other person's name, it is not a sign of excess love. Yeah, it's not a sign of excess love. How many times do you hear me mention names like Adayeki? When last did you hear me say Ebony Carolina? These people are supporters of Collins Media Foundation. There's no project their money no dey, except they not hear them. And they are in my WhatsApp group, they don't hear. We say, Kai, Vivian, let them say, we say, Collins, I hear this one, I will support. A lot of you people, there are some that will say, don't mention my name. Mama Yemalia, one of Amsterdam, God will keep blessing you for me. Madam Gold, God will keep blessing you for me. All of you. Because the love you people show me, give me a reason to continue. You understand? So I'm also still like an Oliver Twist. I'll keep asking for more. Yeah. Please, we want to go for our food sharing process. It is a normal thing we do. Maybe by the time we don't do 1 year. There was a time I came out and I told people, the only way we get money in Collins Media Foundation is when a woman here needs help. Somebody will say, I give that woman 10,000. I give that woman 5,000. When we collect or we go and give to her. I came out on one of my videos and I said this, that please, it's time for us to now start supporting the foundation. Collins Media Foundation has workers that work with him. These people are supposed to be on salary month ending, but they are not. They are just working with me on the base that Madam Gold can just look and say, Collins, how many crew members do you have? I say 5. I'll give them 50,000. Let them go and share. I'll say, God bless you. Mama Yemali will just call me. Collins, how many of them are your crew members? I give them. Happy Francis, Desmond Orobosa, Usarabo Pasuan, you know, like that. That's the way I've been managing my crew all the while. Now, is it that when they send money for a woman to be saved, for instance, or a businesswoman, Collins Media Foundation should share it into 2, give the woman half, keep half, so that I'm using to pay my workers? The big answer is no. It cannot work for me that way. I don't take what belongs to another. I would rather speak to some of my pillar supporters to say, I beg, these guys that are working for me, month one end, I must find something for them. They get families. There and then, you see them say, okay, how many of them? Just like yesterday, Urbano Charity Silver, just called when I go home. Collins, how many crew members do you have? I said, see, Collins, I don't have much, but I beg, might give you this for the 2 first. May remain 3. Anytime somebody man, I'll supply that 3. That's how we've been managing ourselves as a growing foundation. So think that I will come and say, they said we should give that boy 100,000 after gathering all. I'll not say no need to set up business worth 100,000. Let me set up, give him 20,000 to go. And 80, they might give my crew. And me, you can't keep my own. Awawa. If you don't know me before, please check my Facebook page. I am Collins Imudia. Please go back to my former, just go my profile. Scroll down very much. You will see that I've been going abroad for vacation before foundation. I've been doing so very well before foundation. I have a car before foundation. So I didn't come out for foundation because I wanted food. Instead, I came out for the common man. I was doing well, yes. But how about the next man? During the pandemic, they said everybody go and stay at home. No government to say for staying at home will be giving you so amount of money. All offices shut down. All employers of labor say all of you go home without any money. So the man now will return back to his house, the wife will return back. How will they not be getting money to eat? That period became a war zone. That was where Collins Imudia came out to say, no, let us look out for our people. When we came out, at the point in time, the government saw what we're doing. And those state government decided to share palliatives too. They share food. I was called. Say, please come monitor the Bubaka process. And I went. We did live video to show World 2 live distribution of food to the common man and every other person. That's how we started the foundation. And before you know, some other diaspora just called me, calling, if you like what you are doing, please let's support you. I'll send you money, go and share food. God bless the Lady Osarabo, Nosa Osarabo family. God bless Lady Nosa Osarabo and her family. The sister Joan Bodilon, great woman. Collins, take 250,000, one share food for the common man. I don't want to know them. Just a minute, please. Hello. Good afternoon. Wrong number. You know, that's how we keep top. Lady Nosa Collins, take 250,000. Go and share food for anybody. I say, which area, man? She said, any area of your choice. I see what you are doing. I like it. What you are doing for people in Benin. I say, thank you, man. Went to share food. The next day, Princess Josephine Omosiwo. I do birthday, Collins, stay, go and share. One family from America, I won't mention their name. He said I should not mention their name. Collins, take 600,000, go and buy massive food. Go to Ugbowo, go Luku. We bought bags of rice, bags of beans, over 300 bags of yam. Just a minute, please. Hello? Hello? Yes, ma'am. Hello, this is Collins Imudia Foundation. This is Collins Imudia Foundation. You understand me? That's how we went. Bought bags of rice, 302 bags of beans. Bags of beans, 302 bags of yam, bags of beans, Indomie, plenty. Start a full bus we rented. Drove to Ugbowo after Unibank. Went on massive distribution of food to the common man. Very many people benefited. It was on live video. You all saw it. And that's how we came up. And then some other person said, Collins, it's due for you to have an office. You have all of us supporting you. You should have an office. Every day you're in the streets. I said, okay. Sorobo Obasanjo, Collins, you need 10 people, just 100,000. I'm one. Mama Yemali of Amsterdam, no, Collins, I'm 150. Princess Josephine, I'm 100. You know, like that, Madam Gold, I'm 100. Mr. Paul, I'm 100. Families, different families, everybody supporting. For you know, we have gotten a standard office in Airport Road where we operate from now. Fully air conditioned to the teeth. You understand me? So it's not as if we are in competition with anybody, but we appreciate our very own. And we want members of the public who are just joining us for the first time to understand that we are just a 4-month-old baby. But we are doing what a 13-year-old person cannot do. And the secret behind this is God's grace. God's grace. No other thing. We don't believe in So there was a time when to share food. Some people stage themselves to act one small drama and say they put charm for the rice. So rice they never cook, they put charm. You know go cook the rice first. Fire no dey burn charm. Later they say sorry, you know mistake. I bet not verse calling Simudia. I was watching them on YouTube. And sorry, not verse, not be charm. And they just put like they want just discourage you. You cannot discourage what God has set on the ground. This is a mission driven by God Almighty by himself. It's not a man-driven mission. This is God's purpose, his own design. He wants to answer the prayer, secret prayers of some people 2020. He was looking for a tool to use. Boom! Collins Imudia Foundation appeared. And God said, come and do this. And like an obedient person to my creator, I said, here am I. Use me. Today, see where we are. It's not as if we have very much. But the little we have, we are able to share for the people. And that's the essence. That's why we came out. Expose people to the world. Give people platform to say, I bet Mona help me. Among 10,000 people, one person will just say, I'll give you this. I bet Mona help me platform has created businesses for many widows through Collins Imudia Foundation. And I'm proud to be associated with all of you supporting Collins Imudia Foundation. God bless you. Urbano Charity Silver, God bless you for supporting my crew members last time. God bless you. And God bless each and every one of you supporting Collins Imudia Foundation. God bless you so much. You understand? So, Mr. Egeago, God bless you for your constant support. From day one, you never leave Collins Imudia Foundation. God bless you so much. So together, let's do this again. It's monthly. Once monthly, we do it. The beginning of this month, we did food sharing. You all witnessed it. Now, we are approaching the end of the month. We have to distribute again first week of next month. So we are appealing that each and every one of you, please support Collins Imudia Foundation food sharing process. We don't share cooked food, please. For security reasons, we forbid sharing of cooked food. We would rather for the now share raw food. You go home and cook your raw food because heat kills any form of infection. So if you say the rice dirty, you go wash them first by yourself. You go boil them, you go cook them before you go eat them. So there's nothing like they give me dirty rice. Talk less we sharing foreign rice. Because when we gave rice, some people came down later and said, this rice not good though. They threw one for express. It was a shame as at that time, but I just didn't want to speak to it because if I do, I will give some people relevance and I don't want to be distracted. So I will not trade wars with anybody. I will not be involved in any saga with anybody. If you attempt to say you want to deform my character, you are wasting your time. I will join those that will view it for you so that you will gather views, may they pay you. But me, Collins Imudia, will not reply you back. That's not what I came off. I'm not a presenter. I'm a foundation. There's a difference between a presenter and a foundation owner. A foundation owner is someone that looks out for the common man, cannot behave like a presenter. A presenter is somebody that comes to speak to public for hours. Some people will do different things, but that's not my business. What I am called out for is to look out for the common man, widows, old people. So that is my calling, and that's what I face now, and I won't be distracted. So on this note, I will just say a passionate appeal to you. If you've not done before, please support us. Just yesterday, we got volunteers. I will mention their name now because we are writing it all down. Like I told you, we write it down. Last month we wrote down and we came out to appreciate them after the sharing. This month we are writing down already. Yeah. As of yesterday, Bridget Jegede promised 10,000 naira for food sharing. Sharon Brace promised 15. Urbano Charity promised 10. She has fulfilled last night. Kelly JP promised 10K. Happy Francis promised 10K. Justina Aterekben promised 10K and she has fulfilled it yesterday. Mama appears promised 10K and she has fulfilled it yesterday. Omoye, man, God bless you. You promised yesterday and you fulfilled it. My sister who mentioned that name, she promised 20,000. Sandy Z said 10,000. Mama Abias also gave me 10,000 naira to subscribe my internet, from which you are watching me now. God bless you, man. In UK. Ebony Black promised 10,000 naira. Our birthday sister coming up very soon. Esther Osayomo promised 10,000 naira and fulfilled it last night. God bless you. Albert Jonathan just promised 20,000 naira this morning. So those are just but a few. So if you've not heard your name in it, which we know between now and Saturday, jobs will be shifted. A lot of people will quickly bring in. Yeah, please let us know, Mr. Ereago. I'm not leaving you out. I know you ever supportive. Please be a part of this food sharing process. You, Mr. Ereago, have single-handedly called Collins Imudia Foundation, sent us money to buy bags of rice, bags of beans, to go and share in your area in Lagos. Single-handedly, only paid all the money. Bags of rice, bags of beans, everything to go share. We went to the area, we shared for people. Mr. Ago, brother and sister, not in that street. People who meeting say be mama, now people who dey near in house. That is charity. So God bless you. Please be a part of this one now. Bridget Igunoba Jagede, I just mentioned your name that you promised, but I've not seen the alert. Please send me the screenshot to my WhatsApp. Once you send anything to us to support us for the food sharing process, please send me the screenshot on WhatsApp so that I can use it to verify. We'll trace our account and say, oh, this money, yes, for this purpose. If you send money for a lady, you vowed to say, I want to give one woman 10,000 yesterday, day before yesterday, and you want to send it to me, when you are sending me the screenshot on WhatsApp, please indicate for that lady with this and that. So that will bring this topic up again. In the meantime, we have the women, so let's get to hear their story. Yeah, today might not be a day for supporting, money, but who pays give today. So, but let's get to bring them in. So, section, please, can you get to the first page? So let's get to see them and receive them. Please, they have to be very fast. Yeah, she's coming already.
Coming in now.
Thank you. Okay. Mr. Agu, God bless you. You say you will support with 10,000 naira. God bless you. Mr. Agu. Mr. Agu, God bless you. You say you will support the food sharing process for 10,000 naira. God bless you, sir. I appreciate you. And then we're here already. Yeah. Madam, good morning. Good morning. Please, we have a culture here. We speak out so that people will be hearing you. They are watching you. Okay? So please get relaxed. We just want to know what brought you here.
What brought me here is that God bless you.
Please speak out. Let me hear you.
God bless you people to come and help us in Nigeria here. We thank you. Why I'm here is that I lost my husband six years ago. I don't have anything to take care of my children. I just have only 2 children. It's my brother that is helping me. Because of this coronavirus, everything died down. Don't have anything to help me again. That is why I'm here to come and beg you people to support me. I owe my landlord 4 months now. He's asking me for money. I don't have money to pay my landlord. That is why I'm here to help me to come and tell you people to help me. If people can help me and pay my landlord, then the rest I will use it to do small thing in my front of house. That is why I'm here, sir.
What's your name, man?
Felicia Okoji.
Okay, my secretary has taken your details, right?
Like my name.
Yeah, I just want to have an interview section with you. We will reschedule you for another day. Alright? In your speech, Osaze Yagwen, good afternoon. In your speech, yeah, you said you lost your husband how many years ago?
years ago.
So how have you been taking care of your children all the while?
It's my brother that is helping me, so it's not around now because of this coronavirus. We went to Ghana. So since he left, I don't have any money again.
If the coronavirus ends, he will come back.
No, say he want to go and hustle there. Say he want to go and hustle. So I say, okay, may God bless you. That is what he told me. So my landlord now is asking me for money. I don't have money. He said he will drive me. I say, I beg, I will pay. If the money come, I will pay you. That's why I'm here. You people should help me so that I will be doing small things.
So who's taking care of your children now?
Nobody, sir. It's only two of them.
How old are they?
One is 20 years. That the small one that went to Ghana is 18 years.
There are two of them are boys?
Yes, boys.
So what do they do?
One,
The other small one went to hustle.
he went to hustle. The other one is teacher.
As a teacher, he gets salary every month.
He gets salary before. Because of this coronavirus, everything died down. He used to help small children in the house now to pay his house rent. For less.
He does not stay with you.
No.
And that means you are taking care of just yourself. These people are taking care of themselves. Exactly. You understand? So that's fine. We bet you say your reason is for them to assist you. Yeah, assist you with house rent and set up a business that you can manage. Perhaps to take care of yourself and not your children, because they are adults. They are supposed to take care of you now and not you taking care of them. So the essence that you want to do a business now,
Yes, sir.
I can imagine who you want to take care of with the business. People who want to have gotten wives. You get? They ought to have gotten wives by now. You get? So, but give and take, in order for us to give you the same fundamental human rights platform to express yourself, which we do for every other person without priority, we will allow you to do this, but my secretary will reschedule you now for another day where you will come and will not give you the platform to appeal. Because you see the people watching me now across the world, they cannot support yesterday and support tomorrow and support next tomorrow. These people don't pluck money from trees. A lot of them get salary at the end of the month.
Yes, sir.
And if they tell you the kind of job they do, you self will pity them. But inside this, their hard job. Europe is not easy. America is not easy. You understand? So from where they are getting money, they cannot just be waking up every day to say, they don't break, I won't go spend money. They don't break, I won't go spend money. That's not how it works. Collins Emudia Foundation is a very reasonable foundation. We know what to do, when to do, and how to do. So in order for us to give you the free platform to express yourself, we invited you in. Yeah, so my secretary will take your details and reschedule you now. Secretary, please, she's coming now. Reschedule you now.
Okay, sir.
So ma will call you, and your number is there, right? She will reschedule you and give you a date, which you will come.
Okay, sir.
And then you will have the time to speak to members of the public.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
God bless you, man. You have a nice day.
Okay.
Send me the next question. Very quickly.
Okay.
So we understand how it works. We understand how it works, and on that note, we get to diplomatically do things so that we don't blow things out of proportion. Yeah, Mrs. Leis Egwakun, good afternoon to you. Mrs. Leis Egwakun, good afternoon to you, man. I see all your comments, too numerous to mention. God bless you. Sandra Gifts, God bless you. Prince Unjokuchi, God bless you, my supporter. God bless you. I want to feel your hand for this food sharing. I trust you, Sha. Prince Unjokuchi. So let the lady come, please. Good afternoon. Please sit down.
Sister, I know.
What's your name? Man, in this place we speak out when people they hear you.
Okay, Josephine Abba.
You are from where, ma?
Native. From Enugu State.
Okay, now Enugu you for come. What time can you shout? You join me shout. So that they go hear you.
Enugu are from Enugu State.
Okay.
Not from here.
Okay. So what's the problem, ma?
I need to help. It's last year.
What's that? Listen down. You don't need down here.
I beg. Last year Easter,
You're
I
talking to me.
lost my mom. Lost my mom and my junior sister. So since then, I village market now they do before. Since then, I not come get money. So now, I hope and they help and they beg. So now I say, as I hear this place, I say, ma beg, wanna help me on village market. Ma continue I beg.
Oh, you say you hawk.
It's last year I lost my money. That's why I do my mommy main here. Because my year died. I've been here that, so no slug in that time. So go for year carry and go. After some months, not my junior sister, they married Benin person. So they got through something. The leg come, after finish, we block your bone, and she died. We still can't go in, we go bury her. This woman I been there. So after then, I don't get money to go village market again and buy something. We sell. I sell. I be help one in that bed.
Hello, sir.
Sir.
Hello, sir. D-Fex. Good afternoon to you. Where your husband, man?
Husband there, everybody dey push.
Your husband there, everybody dey push. So from there, you know they get money.
You know they get money. Once say we borrow push on, I sound like 50 naira, 100 naira, carry go here. So now they pay.
How many children do you have?
I'm fine.
Where them?
I get the money.
What do they do?
But they go school.
No one they work.
Then they don't work well, and then they learn. After school they will go where they learn work. After school they learn. They never finish.
I understand the story. It's very pathetic anyways, yeah. The story is very touching. Because we need you to know that we just want to hear you out for the very first time. Till the day we will not bring you to the public to be seen. Let people see what you are saying and then get to assist you. Today is not. So why you not gonna go up today?
They give my appointment say I'm going. Last week Wednesday, I reached here. They
So
were writing them, say,
you
"Oh,
go hawk yesterday.
I go up
But
here.
you go
I
there.
still up this morning.
So till the sun.
I have plantain. Plantain I buy credit for me. I buy plantain credit and buy the hawk. They can do quickly. They can do plantain chips.
So what you are saying is that you need additional support.
Still
Additional
doing now.
support for you to improve the business for yourself. We will have time to do this again. Yeah? We will have time to do this again. I'll tell my secretary to reschedule you now. So that day when you will come, you know, say when you come talk, beg members of the public. That time you'll come to say, okay, you assist, you assist. Okay? But for today, so much of a hear you. Secretary, please let me to come in now. Please reschedule now, okay? Can you hear me at all? Please tell secretary I'm speaking to her. She's not hearing me. Can you hear me? You put them off. How was it off before? Yeah, we schedule this woman that's coming out now. Okay, with the other woman. It's free to both of them. And then send the next person very fast. So madam, we will call you again, okay? So that we will hear your story. That day we don't let you talk well. We don't talk, we know what we hear you. And you say narrator, so you narrate again. Who God touch you, how that day will help you, okay?
That's I don't know. So, okay.
And in the meantime, Marango, good afternoon. Thank you for joining me today, Madam. Good afternoon. How are you today, ma'am? So we will take the next person now, very quickly, very quickly. Let her come in. Good afternoon. Please take a seat. I have seen you before. What's your name? Okay, the last time you came here, please, I want you to face the public. I need them to see you. Yeah. The last time you came here, we were appealing for support for you. And members of the public said that they've seen you in a foundation before. God Sent Foundation, precisely, where you were giving help to. And then you said your own version that they only had to treat your son. But some other person said, we witnessed the donations for you. Okay, the gen is disturbing, right? Can we just be fast enough to change over so they can put it on very fast? Yes. Can you put it up now, please? Because we do not trust these NEPA people. You go to, if you leave it on live now, while you're on live video, NEPA will just take their life. So, in order for us not to have uninterrupted power supply, we rather run gen throughout our broadcast. But the gen will be making noise. We're in a complex where there are lots of generators. You understand? So, but let's get to money. Prince Ede, thanks for the observation. And it's been corrected. Thank you so much. We're a listening foundation. So once we see your comment and you're advising us positively, we will take it very quickly. Yeah, so madam, like I was saying, members of the public, most of my supporters now say they saw you at God Sent Family. So can you narrate all that happened, where you got help?
Which is God Sent Foundation.
Yes, how you got there and how you got help.
Which is when my pikin get accident. So I let's say I cried to God Sent. So me don already stay hospital reach 3 weeks before I call God Sent. I don already spend more than 50,000 for my own money for market. So when I cry go, God Sent come give me 30. He give me 30, come give me 20, come give me 20. So God promised me say, I come tell am say, but na money for market as my pikin hand don dey go. Na money for market, me no come get money for any market again. So now the market, now I tell they feed them, now I tell they pay my house rent. So he call tell me, see, he will give me so day. When me read there, you know, they around. So one of my friends call tell me, say, so foundation day this side. Now me say, come here.
Okay, I would ask you a few questions, like I did the other day. That you have gotten help from the Brother Foundation because we all are from Benin City, so we won't say we don't know each other. You have gotten support from them already. And members of the public here said that day that they saw when they gave you money for business. Because you came to Collins Media Foundation now, saying you need money for business, right? Now you say you define.
Yes.
Now, some people say we were there when they donated money. People were donating money. It is either they donated for you, didn't get to you, or they gave you and you are not telling members of the public.
They're not giving money for business. They're not giving me because now the business money now I tell God Sent. Because I mean, since so the when I call, you know, they are right travel. They're not giving any money. Since that time, self now, house like they, I don't know if they do anything.
They gave you 70,000 naira for waiting.
70, which is from hospital.
Hospital bill.
Yes, sir.
They gave you 70,000 naira. God Sent Foundation gave you 70,000 naira.
How you say give me the money? First give me 30. He give me 20. He give me 20. Me already pay 50,000 for my own market money.
Okay. He tell you say make you come back for the business issue.
Yes, when me come read there, so you know they around. So one of my friend got also social foundation dey here because me need money for business. That enter here.
Okay, ma, this is what we are going to do. Because we don't want a foundation to say, now we just have to help am. Because the money go for our bag, go by phone saying na him. Because we were also doing such a thing, and it happened. Yeah. I would want you to do me a favor, madam. This is not about shedding tears, okay? I want us to help you, no doubt. Even if not because of you, because of the children you carry. Do you understand? It's even good that you were a woman enough to come out and say, please, I live for my children. But there's one advice we give to you first. God Sent Foundation gave you money to rescue your child during when he was in the hospital. That's a plus to God Sent Foundation. And it's not good for you to tell them thank you halfway. God Sent Foundation will not leave you halfway. What I advise you to do, ma, God Sent Foundation told you come back so that we'll look for a way to set up a business for you. Isn't that what you said? When you got back there, John Sagi was not around, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. John Sagi is back in town. Please visit him again. Okay? Go back to the office now and tell the secretary, I want to see your Oga. He told me to come back when he's around. Now I know he's around. You understand? So just go back there and say, he said I should come. By the time John Sage sees you, he will remember. He may remember, not will. Because there are a lot of people are helping in Benin. I'm helping a lot of people. Yeah, he's helping a lot of people. So I'm advising you, please go back to John Sage. Alright? Then when you get back there, they will help you. But if in the case that you not get there, be patient too. Don't just go and say, I come here, somebody go, I come out, I go make all this media again. Don't do that. See it as if you don't have any other thing to come and make. Because if you come back here to say, they're not answering you, I will call their foundation number here. From this desk where you are sitting down, I will call them. Hello, I have a lady here, so name. She said she came to you, you did not answer her again. And then they will tell us publicly, that lady, we have a record. We were able to give her this. This was what we were able to do. That foundation is not Central Bank of Nigeria. That foundation you see there exists with supporters. So if the supporters get to support you and they didn't give you, I believe the supporters will ask questions. What of that lady we donated for? So if they did not give you, there's a possibility that they didn't get support much for you. It's not everybody that comes before live video that gets support. You get to know. You understand? So please, first and foremost, you have to just first go back there. See them. Yeah, just a minute. Hello. Oh, I'm on live video. Please, can I speak to you there? You know, so like I said, you have to visit them back now. For heaven's sake, it's not as if they didn't tell you to come back. They told you to come back, right? Hey, give and take. Go back. See him. He's a nice guy. Just go see him. So you told me to come. I'm the guy that let me give you a little expo. Tell him, thank you, sir. God bless you. Now, if not be you, my people just suffer for hospital for nothing. I appreciate it. I've been looking for you. When I came, they say you don't travel. I say I'm patient, wait. If he accuse you, say why you can't go for this, which I doubt, but may get to tell him, so I don't know say you will come. I say you don't travel out, and I need help. Let me go. I know he will not tell you. You're going to make all this. I know he will not tell you. But if peradventure that happens, we will not have a case to hold on to say, oh, you cried out and you were shunned. But on this case that he has not shown you, it is very wrong for Collins Media Foundation to just pick it up from there. It's very, very wrong. Because if I was angry that they did it to me and I was not pleased, I can't do it to somebody. Because Bible says, do to others what you want others to do to you. So, madam, you still have great hope. Return back to God's Foundation. They are open now. I'm talking to you. Just go. Good afternoon. I be the way to other bros will come. Since now he help me and my pikin. God bless. I want to thank him. Yeah. If you never get anything to do, I know, man. Let me dash you 1,000 naira. Please buy 2 yam when you are going. Go to tanker. Say you can't take tanker. Because a grateful heart request for more. Eh? Let's do it like that. Let me just give you. Not chop this money. Go and buy 2 big yam. 500 for one. Buy 2 caraful body go to the office. Say, boss, I can't thank you for helping my son. When you take help him, you make your hand good. But you still might come back for that business side that time, I beg. Yeah? Say, bro.
Thank you, sir.
Please take care.
Thank you.
Feel free to reach us when you feel like, right?
Thank you.
Let's send me the last one. This one that work for that woman with the You know, so that's how it is for us. Let's get to watch her from that angle, yeah, and then we'll know what to do. Yeah, we'll know what to do.
Good afternoon.
You get? Yes. What can we do for you?
I went to the place.
The woman and I have spoken. I told her that we got a call from you. But in the meantime, good afternoon, my people. Next time, when I don't barge into my office, follow the protocols, alright?
I didn't know you're saying that one.
That's wrong. He will be the one to tell you when and when to come. We ought to usher you in, but you just barged your way in. It's wrong. Yeah, next time. Because now we could not even greet the members of the public. The lady here is the lady we went to pay house rent for. Yeah, we were thinking of getting her a job or setting up a little business for her. But we've done the house renting to an extent. And we gave her some money to hold. Perhaps to do 1 or 2. I don't know what you have done. You already
A
did
friend of mine introduced into a bread business.
bread selling business.
Yes, from stock to stock.
Okay.
Then the money is not enough for me to start.
How much did we give you?
8,000.
How much do you need for that?
He said like maybe 30,000, but both the big set by set. That is what I want to buy.
Okay. The lady we told you to go and take care of the money, I'll put you on monthly salary. What happened? The lady,
The house is a
you told me
massive
already.
house.
You told me already. This is not supposed to be public. You understand? I've spoken to the lady already, and she understand. You get? Yes. So, but give and take, your case will be rescheduled for support. Yeah. So that we can take your support another day. I didn't plan. When I heard you came today, I just felt like, what you should do is say, once come and explain to you how she went. I said, okay, no problem. So my secretary will reschedule you for another day, okay? Secretary, please send this lady for another day.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm calling that woman with baby now. I love her. So, I see all your messages. God bless you all. Esther Osayamo, God bless you. Esther Osayamo, thank you. You have supported the food sharing already with 10,000 naira. God bless you, Esther Osayamo. And for that lady you just saw, let her go back to God's hand. When she gets there, they will attend to her properly. If not, maybe they now say they are done. We can then know on what base we are acting. But for now, she has the template to still return back. She was not driven away. So dancing from one foundation to the another is not a way of livelihood. It should not be a culture. Quincy Chacha, good afternoon. Pretty Josephine, good afternoon. Onwa Ijegba, good afternoon. Lady J Osemege, good afternoon to you too. All of you, good afternoon. Andrew Wagboy, God bless you. Justina Oterepe, God bless you. Princess Rita Kent, at side 2. Ever supportive Apostle Sherifatu. Happy birthday to your husband. And I wish him many more years ahead. May God bless his new age. Hello. Yes. Who be me? I do a live video. Please talk quickly. Who be that? I don't like you. You know, so like I said, we'll be taking it one step at a time. DJ Star Baby, thank you. God bless you for your comments. I'm seeing all your comments. All the DJs that are writing, I'm seeing all your comments. God bless you all. Happy Francis, God bless you. So, but let me take this other video. Madam, come. Let that be the last case I addressed. She was here yesterday. Let's get this here. Hello, baby. Chop knuckle. You will hear me. How you hear me? Say one time. Sorry. Pretty baby. Sorry. I don't have a key to give you to play. Take. Take my bag. Yeah, you know your friend. So, ladies and gentlemen, behold Mrs. Emmanuel Obehi, right? Emmanuel Blessing. I mean. Mrs. Emmanuel Blessing. Please give me the better response. She doesn't know herself. Sorry. Mrs. Emmanuel Blessing. She has her story. She told us her story yesterday. Yeah, she told us her story yesterday. She was here. We will not change for anybody. We have seen money before we became a foundation. So, Onwa Ijegba, God bless you. I understand where you're coming from. Very understood, no problems. Yeah. So, this lady here told us her story yesterday. So, but for you just joining us today, let's give her the platform to express herself today. So, madam, tell us what happened and why you came here.
I needed when I get this baby belle, I don't get two children. And my husband not to, get work people say we work. Now those the
Bricklayer.
Bricklayer and I they do. When I can't get this one belle, God tell me say, me I never say me I go remove and say me money first confess. Now God say, you don't already enter. I know if you remove her again. Say now God know why it be like this. God say you not concern am. Before that, they don't call they take care of me, not call they give me money for food, nothing. But you come up for us, drop anything for me. Now so I called the one day self I call even faint because of say I must see food eat. Now my neighbor for us now they call even wake me up, they call pot out my body, they call my mommy. When my mommy come, I call explain everything to my mommy. Then my mommy called us say you not get am many kind of now you want to say that they throw it for toilet. Come carry me ever since my mom come carry me go the house. Na house I call there ever since. Sometimes I'll follow my mom na pure water na she dey sell for New Benin. Sometimes I'll follow and go New Benin go sell pure water. If I still get work, say person bring clothes for me or I bring meat, I'll still do one for us. Because I learn work at the tailor. I call the do one like that until I call deliver. When I call deliver, my mommy no see money take discharge you for hospital. I call them and say, you don't have one of you stay hospital. I call them and sell my machine. Me they take discharge me for hospital. And so you got to sell my machine. I call you and take discharge me for hospital. When I got Richards, as time they go, I got when you do 2 months, 2 months and some weeks. I call you carry and go to me. I call to say I'm not fit again. First your day house without no food, nothing. I call carry and go to me. Say I want to go sell water. People, all those markets when they come pursue me come and say, as I'll carry this small baby, enter market, I want to sell water. I call through come as when I call as come out. My mom call they go every day. I go they buy come. As they buy come, they come. Or they help and they roast now for ourselves. And so I call say they live with my mom.
Okay, so you say your sewing machine where you get
Yes.
just to be able to
Discharge me.
pay for the birth of this baby in the hospital.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your husband, does he know you have this child now?
I call am but he no even care to me, no come ever since when you say I tell you born, he no even come see me, come see the baby.
So how have you been taking care of this child?
Na my mummy dey support me. I dey my mummy house ever since.
You can't be like a body to her now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So who told you about Collins Imodia Foundation?
When I call see one of my girlfriend come see me, I call collect small thing. As I dey use leg dey trek dey come, I call see am for.
You saw our banner outside.
Yes, sir.
You now decide to try your luck.
Yes, sir.
Sheila Godwin, God bless you. You say 10,000 naira for this woman.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. God bless you, ma. Thank you.
Mrs. Sheila Godwin,
Thank you.
God bless you so much for
Thank
this
you,
woman.
Thank you
So your
very
husband said you should go and abort this child.
much. Yes, sir.
Today the child is leaving. What's the name of the child?
Praise.
Praise. You will actually praise God. Because God wanted you to come to this world. No poverty factor would have facilitated the death of this child.
Amen.
This child have come to this life to stay and will stay and become a great woman.
Amen.
I pray Almighty God to forgive the father, for he know not what he's doing. And I pray, madam, that you also, when you are training up this child here, I know you're doing this single-handedly. Please do not make this child hate the father.
Yes, sir.
You hear?
Yes, sir.
As you dey train and they go, I know say they pay you for body. There's no how way go pay you. I only pray to God, not say I dey tell you to do am. I'm praying that God will give you the mind not to allow this child, yeah,
Yes, sir.
to hate his papa.
Yes, sir.
Because for every child that the father said go and if this pikin grow, you tell am this story till he die, no believe say he get papa. So please do not train this child to know the story. Yeah. David Favor, you say you support her with 10,000 now. God bless
God
you.
bless
you,
you.
ma'am.
David Favor,
Thank
thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So please let's support. I join voices with her. Let's support her, please. Let's support her and let's see how we can get her to be doing a business for this child's sake. Just for the sake of this child. Also, T General, thank you so much for the compliment. Yeah. So please let's, because of this child, this beautiful baby girl you see here, right? Let's get to support this woman, please. From wherever you are watching us from, let us put hands together to set up a little business for this lady. By the time we give you some money, man, I think you'll be able to go and start selling. But what kind of business you do? You have a little baby. How old is this baby?
3 months.
Just 3 months old.
Yes, sir.
And that means you cannot do tight business or just any light one around. A business that you can put the baby to lie down. Yeah, on the will be playing on that their small baby sheet. Yeah, and then you can then be doing business. Because if I say come business, before you come with the follow women they drag from Mr. Ere Ago, God bless you for supporting her with 10,000.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Ere Agu, God bless you for supporting her. But on her house, I asked you yesterday, I don't know if they're doing for outside.
No, space not there, sir. People they sell for outside.
Space not there.
No, sir.
But you cannot go to the village market to this. This baby is just 3 months old. Where's my tissue paper? Yeah? Please, let's support this lady, please. Mr. Ego, God bless Mr. Ego. God bless you for this child. Lose her for me. Also, Bebo say 5K for the baby.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello?
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. What's the name, ma'am? Okay, well, anyway, ma'am. You make it now with the recording, ma'am. Who we are support. yo. You are going yo. Ojon Doris. Ni make na ya me dey ala ti wa yan pa wo ki Ojon Doris. Okay, ni wa bi na wa yan. Okay. To support his business. Okay, no problem. God bless you. It's come on, you know, so please let us support this lady, please. Me, I want to do it together. Let's do this together, please. Let's do it together. Yes. Let's do it together. Let's support her. Thank you, Mr. Sugbebo, for supporting her with 5,000 naira for the baby.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Please, let's keep supporting her. She needs to do this business so that the man will say go kill the pikin. He go here say the pikin, and that pikin on my own will say yes. He will come back on the damn beg the woman. Say forgive me. Rich Sandra, good afternoon. Ebomoyi Osahon, you say you will support with 10,000 naira before on the 7th of next month.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
God bless you. Thank you, sir.
Ebomoyi Osahon, Osayi. Ebomoyi Osayi, you said on the 7th of August you will support with 10,000 naira. God bless you. Okay, Quincy Chacha says, Mr. Collins, I think we should buy her a tailoring machine. It will be better for her. That's another one. You used to use, you were a tailor before.
Yes, sir.
If we buy you a brand new tailoring machine, you can start sewing while your baby is still with you at home.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. So we'll look into that. Thank you for suggesting it to us, Quincy Sasha.
Thank you.
Yeah, because we all, we are a responsible foundation. We get to take advice from you, particularly once it's positive. Yeah. So thank you for supporting that idea. Thank you for bringing up the idea. We are praying to Almighty God to open ways for you so that you can support the same process. God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Imale, second thing, I see your message. God bless you. I cite you too. No, please, let's get to support this lady, please. Wherever you're watching us from across the world. Yeah. Even not because of her, because of this little child. This child came to this world. God said the child must come. And that's why the child came. So we will do everything humanly possible to see to the fact that we get to get her a tailoring machine. She was once a tailor, but when she was now pregnant and due to give birth, there was no money to discharge her from the hospital. She now told her mother that my sewing machine, go sell them. And they now sold it and brought the money. That's what they now used to pay for the discharge in the hospital. So God bless you, Albert Jonathan, for saying you will support if it's a tailoring machine. Yes, it will be a tailoring machine. That's her area of specialization. If she get the machine, now she go begin to sew cloth. They get small thing. That one are permanent. Yeah, that one are permanent. So we subscribe. Albert Jonathan did not say how much, but he just said he will support. I know he will. And my guy, I know he will support. Albert Jonathan is a responsible man and a great supporter of Collins Media Foundation. So he said, I will support if it's a sewing machine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Somebody said, I just came in now. Can you explain more? The woman cannot be repeating herself every time. Yeah, let me just brief you so you get to know. This lady was pregnant for this child, and the husband said, I don't want you to keep the child because there's no money. And she now said, we don't already enter already now. How can we remove it? Yeah. And in all of that, the lady now kept the child. The man now drove her away. So now she has given birth to the child. The man says not interested. Doesn't want to know. Yeah. Said doesn't want to know. So the lady and her mother have been struggling to take care of this child. But now she's becoming a thorn on the mother's flesh, a heavy body. So she now decided to say she wants to come and look for help. And that's how she got here. Abba Jonathan said 20,000 naira for the lady. God bless you, bro.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Chris Brown, Ipomosa, say 10,000 naira. God bless you.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
God bless you, bro. Yeah, so it is the trade you have that you can use to generate money for yourself. The tailors that leave their homes from morning, enter transport to their store to go and be doing tailoring, they went out to hustle. So what we can only do is to teach her how to fish and not give her fish. So Abba Jonathan, God bless you for supporting her with 20,000. And then our account number is pinned to the section. Chris Brown, Ipomosa, thank you for saying you will support her with 10,000 naira.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Victor Asenogun, I guess you now understand what happened to her. Yeah, so if you want to support us, please support her. Let's get to set up that trade for her. Yeah, we'll be able to to support her. Yeah. So, but just a quick one for you to know. We bought the caravan from all your support. We bought the caravan for that guy that has one leg, that amputated guy's leg, Mr. Nusa, already. This morning he called me and I told him to go and find out the cost to rent the place. He'll be dropping the caravan every month, so that we can quickly go and pay for at least 6 months first. Then we will then know how to quickly go and buy him a sewing machine so that he can buy. But I'm just waiting for most of the people that promised Nusa to remit. Yeah, God bless one of our sisters that just supported him. She called me just now and she has paid her own. God bless you, man. You know, for Nusa, the guy with the amputated leg. You know, so but for this lady now, we would appeal passionately that you support her. Yeah, so that she can take care of this beautiful child that the husband didn't want to come to this world, but the child is here today. And I'm using this medium to appeal to her. Madam, I beg you, don't train on this child to hate the father. Yeah? Temper justice with mercy. It might just be his level of thought as a poverty. I believe if the man was very rich, maybe for Taisi keeper. But we don't want to know for whatever reason why we tell you to go and abort a child. Yeah? But please do not, for any reason. I know it's painful. Considering how you went through, being in the labor room without a husband to stand by you, yeah, you gave birth, no food, it's your mother that will buy baby food and all of that. This is just a 3-month-old baby, yeah. So it's we would pray that you don't allow them against us. For all of you writing that this is a foundation. I know most of you don't understand what a foundation is. I will explain it to you very well. In a foundation, when people come to seek for help in that foundation, and you touches your heart to say, I want to help this person, you will send it to that foundation account you see pinned there. The foundation will take care of that person. If you want their numbers, go to ITV or EBS. Tell them, please, if you see anybody who need help, send me the direct number and I will be giving them money. And they will do it for you. But in a foundation, don't go to Rolly Rosa Foundation, don't go to Godsend Foundation, don't go to Koletimudia Foundation, don't go to any foundation and be requesting for the number of somebody they are helping. If we expose that, this same requesting of phone number was what left Eritio where he is today. When we were there, people were supporting us. We were building his house. We buy door, come. We put tiles for parlor, drink water system, you know, bought toilet seat, flood the whole house, paint everywhere. Just when we were almost getting done with everything, boom! Give us your number. Somebody released this number. Collins Emudia Foundation and said, God bless you. Now that you have released your number to public, you can now take it up from there. And we left and went about other people to help them. Only for him to be calling us, this one I come out, I don't see anybody will help me. I said, sorry, but that's your luck. Your number, where did they hide? If I said they hide and because they make money with her. Now we are giving it to public. What did they now do? Nothing. So a foundation is a place where collectively everybody put hands together to help an individual without knowing, so that the blessings of God will come to you directly. It is not a place where you can just come and say, give me the right number. Who wants to gather numbers for you? You go and set up a foundation and be giving numbers of the people to members of the public. You understand? So it doesn't work that way for a foundation. So if you are just joining us for the first time, or you've been watching other foundations, you don't know how they operate. That is how it is. If God touch your heart to help the baby, just say, I'm sending this for this baby. Send it into our foundation account. And all the people will be helping. You know, up to a month ago, we gave that kidney patient about 600, almost 700,000. Because daily, people still send me money. The last week, I transferred 20K to him. Somebody sent me money again to that boy. Just call me for that kidney boy. I transferred it to him. I don't have a reason to take what belongs to another. What is mine will come to me without live video. You understand? So I just let me educate those that are saying, if I have direct number. Yeah? Chris Brown, I use a UBA account. The account there is a UBA account. It's a UBA, Chris Brown. Our account number is pasted there. It's pinned to the comment section. You can actually just go through. Look at the comment section down. You will see where they put a pinned number. Account Sui Collins 2019-353896 UBA. That's our account. Okay. So please, you can support this lady from wherever you are. For all the people that have been supporting the people, they'll be getting it. When we were about to set up that business, we did without we went on live video. So Chris Brown, that is that's it. That's it. The UBA account. God bless you, my brother, my friend, for supporting us and giving us your trust. Thank you for trusting us. And so thank you for trusting us very much. Thank you, my brother, my friend, Chris Brown. But once I think it's the first time I would get your notification. First time. Miss Jenny, good afternoon. Sharon Solomon, good afternoon, ma. Rich Sandra, good afternoon. Yeah. So please, if you have a support for her, please let it keep coming. But in the meantime, madam, we believe that with all the people that are promised, we've only gotten credit from one person. Yes, one person. A lot of them promised, but we're yet to get their credit. Only one person. So let's hope. Let's hope. Mama Yemalia, one of Amsterdam, promised me too. She watched the video yesterday, and I'm hoping to hear from her. I don't have my mom. I don't have a close case. I want to be issued. Okay, they are asking me. They say I should ask you, madam, if your husband comes back to you, what will you do? Yeah.
I know accept them.
You know accept them. Why? I think we don't say fuck up, but if he come beg you, say I beg, and poverty cause him.
I feel if I'm because they see his children, but I'm not go back.
Okay. Favor Olutu, you say on the 10th of next month you will support her with 20. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you.
Favor Olutu, you said next month on the 10th you will support the lady.
Thank you, ma'am.
next month. But as a foundation, if we trust people who are our very own. Yeah, I can put my money into it, believing that at least it will come when it is due, based on trust. Because if I cannot earn your trust, why should you trust me? So we don't need to. We will do the needful, so that by the time it gets to that date, we will get the refund. So, but the most important thing is to quickly set her up so that she can start up. Yeah. Alternatively, if we say we should not buy you, what's it called, the sewing machine, you want to do any kind of business again outside sewing machines, so maybe you don't want to really get money every day, right?
I think they do tailoring.
So choose between the two.
Or village markets.
You cannot go to village market with this child. You cannot drag with village women. With this child, you cannot drag. You know what they drag? Where is the second? Come on, if you say they discharge, come on. They drag, they push body, they don't follow motor. And you will carry a baby of 3 months old, now want to go to a village market. You cannot do it. Yeah. Except maybe you travel, go village. Does the child need water? Yeah? Does the child need water?
Yes, sir.
Don't you have ordinary water? Please let's look for, apart from fresh water, can you take the cold water? Please let's get ordinary water for the child. So we don't have water here. There you go. Hey, give her now. Hey, me drink. Can you buy bottled water for me, please? Come. Please let me buy one never bottle. One water. Be very fast because the child hasn't come. But the child can't. Sorry, baby. We are bringing water for you, okay? So which kind of? I told you yesterday to go home and have a rethink, right? Pretty baby. I wanna go up. Who can I go there? I don't want to go to this. Yeah.
I feel they sell those village things like garri, yam.
Who will they bring up for you?
I'll tell my mom if you go the bank.
For you.
Your mom will go to the bank for you. Well, no. What we want is to actually do it. And members of the public will see it on live video. It's not something we say, take go. Then you can go do. We've done 2 for those women, sha. They called me. That woman in what's it called? That will get money for market, this thing business, village market at Oluku. There are 2 of them. One of them, the one at that junction that we saw selling vegetables. She called me to say, how are you? I said, let me greet you, sir. I told her I'll come and see her, but I've not had the time because of people in the office. Yeah. So we'll look for her to do. Because sewing will not be coming every day. Yeah, that's true.
Not really come every time.
Okay, give and take, right? Madam, with all these promises that they got, all these promises, if we actually get all of this, we'll be able to do you a sewing machine and still give you some money to go to the village market. Comfortably. To me. Yeah? I think that's what we should do.
If they buy me sewing machine, I'll buy lorry things. John, I will now they say.
No. See what we want to do for you. We are proposing to buy a sewing machine for you. We will give you additional money so that you give to your mom to help you buy things from the village market when you sell, Jonah.
No problem.
When you get work for tailoring, you will sew them. If not, you will already sell your normal thing and you get money.
Okay.
That will become cool for you.
Yes, sir.
So please, if you promise this lady, please remit so that we'll carry out this task. Please. Please remit. We know we are having some say next month on the 7th, some say on the 10th next month. So madam, you have to also be patient while we are trying to gather all of this. So we can get all the support before we then swing into action. So if you are watching me and you promise that, please remit. And please give the baby water.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Give her water, give her water. I'm not able to see the baby drink water. Maybe one baby is here to drink. She has it covered. I think they put some small thing for their head that time. Center head. Beautiful baby girl. Chris Brown, we are going to get her a sewing machine and then give her money to go and buy village market. Gary, cocoyam, made it sell. I don't want she likes to do. Chris Brown, that's what she likes to do. We'll buy a sewing machine so that she can continue her sewing business and give her money to go to village market. We could buy cocoyam, you know, plantain, Gary, on the sell. Okay, Sheila Godwin, you say you have done yours already. I trust you now. I've not gotten it. I will check. I will check after the live video. This is Sheila Godwin, always supportive. You not even talk about my food sharing. I don't write your name. Sheila Godwin. You never promise for food sharing. But as I look at my list, I say I write your name, but I don't put amount. So maybe you know, so I don't say your own, you know you talk for public. I'm surprised today say you can't talk. Say thank you for the woman. God bless you. So please, if you promised us for this lady, please remit and send me the screenshot to my WhatsApp. The number to send, Sandra will display it now to you. Evans will display it now to you so that you'll be seeing it. Yeah, the number to send. Sandra will be displaying it just now so that I can send it to my WhatsApp. Please give them my MTN. 080. No, they won't. I'll tell you not to disturb me. Don't call me now. Just take the number and save it. After the live video, you can call. A sewing machine, we'll go and buy a sewing machine, 50k, 55k. It depends. So we'll go and buy. But let's get all that is required of her first. So you see, if you check the comment section now, please write out that number. That's my WhatsApp number, direct line WhatsApp. Don't call me now, please. I don't take calls between the hours of 12 noon and 5. I only take calls from morning to 11, then 6 p.m. I've answered him. Yeah, Sheila Godwin, you say you have sent for food sharing already. I've not seen my WhatsApp, that's why. I'll check it, thank you. No, I'm seeing all their messages, it's nice. Me never, you never promised me to write them down. I only do column blank, but I know say you. Your one was there from day one. Madam God never promised I don't write her name. Mama Yemali, I never promised I don't write her name. Because I know them. Sorobo Paso too busy. Very busy now. So if you don't see him very frequently on our live video, because he don't understand. He's well in talks every time. Desmond Orobos are very busy. Yeah, Chris Brown. That is €100, yes. Chris Brown, Ipomusa. Please, Chris Brown, take my number. Please take my WhatsApp number so that you can add me on WhatsApp later, please. So we can gist. Ilo Osai, God bless you. Hey, madam, so like I said, let's gather all this and support. Then we'll swing into action. But just know, the assistance, you're getting a sewing machine, brand new, and they'll give you money to go and do the video.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
Thank you very much.
Alright, please go and take care of the baby. Baby, bye! Come, let me dash you money, baby. Let me dash
Thank
baby
you.
money.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Baby, take. I dash you. Let me put it here. Let me tap from the grace. The grace that you want straight to mouth.
Thank you, sir.
The grace that you came to this world with. Collins Imodia Foundation is tapping from it. And all my supporters who are supporting this lady now, they are tapping from the grace.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Thank you very much.
yes. So you have a nice day. We'll call you. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem. So thank you all for being with us since morning. Yeah, please can you give me the video? Thank you all. Chris Brown, thank you so much. All of you, thank you. Sheila Godwin, thank you. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for today's edition. It's been nice. Yeah. For looking out for the common man. It's fun. Always fun for me. Yeah. Ebony Black. Okay, you have sent your money for food. Yeah, I've not seen the alert, so maybe it's network. I will check. And once I check to see that it's there, I'll come and take it here. I have it all here, see. I wrote it down, all of you. I write them down. So I'll just only come and tick it later. If you can see. You see the way I wrote all of them. All your names out. Yeah. So we have written all the names. We'll just be ticking them. Those that have done it. Oh no, then we'll come back later to appreciate all of you for the food sharing. So if you have not supported, please support. Princess Rita, don't forget to be home. You know, you're a family member. Your own check will clear. Princess Rita, I trust you. So please let's also support the food sharing process. Before now, Monday, let's get to see your support. Send me a screenshot to my WhatsApp number. You should see my support for food sharing. If you are sending money, maybe you promise for that woman now, just indicate it on my WhatsApp. Take the screenshot of the alert and write for that lady with a beautiful baby. Thank you. Yeah, so that we'll be able to put all of this into consideration. Yeah. Well, for the time being, yeah, it's a sign out from us here. We'll be live with you tomorrow. Yeah, and it's a sign out from my crew. Yeah, Evans. It's a sign out from Sandy. Yeah, saying thank you for being with us. And then it's a sign out from our other guy. Yeah, so it's a sign out too from the man just walking in. Luckily for him, he just walked in. It's a sign out. Yeah.
Good morning or good afternoon. Happy New Week.
Yeah, so. Yeah, Freeman Amoro Giver, good afternoon. You came to class late. Yeah. So that will be the show today. God bless you all. Funny enough, that man was lucky to have come in. It's a sign out from him too. Yeah.
I did the house.
Yes. So
Mr. Ofioto.
that's my good son, ladies and gentlemen.
That you got your son. I did just say.
What do you mean by that's not my son? You are my good
He
son.
just money for you, obviously. You said?
You are my good son.
No. If I don't understand.
No, listen to me. You cannot deny this before public. Members of the public, for your information, they are aware
As in
how you are my son. Abba Jonathan is a living testimony.
No. No.
How can you say no?
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think you all know my son.
No. I didn't tell them now.
No, they will comment just now saying that's his son.
Who is the father?
You are my own very good son.
No.
Happy Francis, don't you know my good son?
No.
This is my good son.
No.
Wow. I actually have introduced him to you people before.
No.
Obano Charity Silva, who gave you money last night as a bribe for me to accept her marrying you.
No.
Yeah.
No.
She's saying yes. She knows your father-in-law.
No. You're my cousin.
No.
My father-in-law.
No. I received money yesterday.
Yes.
From Obano Charity Silva for you as the father to you.
No.
See everybody saying yes. Sheila Godwin say yes.
No.
Favor Daniel say
I
yes.
tell them now, say no.
Princess Rita Kent say they know you.
They know.
Happy Francis say yes. So
My good friend.
Florence Mamadou say yes.
Wait, my good friend.
Sandy Babe is laughing. Listen.
Whatsoever your father has done to you,
Yes.
forgive and forget. No, you cannot make wait, you cannot whatsoever your dad. Wait.
Can you listen to this man?
I cannot listen to this, but you cannot be my father. Whatsoever your
Okay.
dad did to you.
Now, ladies and gentlemen.
So annoyed like this.
Okay.
Please forgive him.
Everybody knows. You all know Collins Imudia Foundation. You know my very good son.
No, I'm not your son.
This man was the only man in the history of this foundation that stole the roasted rodents that they call in Edo language Ofioto. This man took a foundation, he went to help a widow, and in appreciation she gave us a roasted rodent, an Ofioto. Yeah, and then we took these roasted rodents and we kept in the car. This man exercised patience. This same son of mine exercised patience for the other crew members you see here to go home.
It was a shock for us.
To go home, he waited for everybody to leave, and he stole the Ofionto.
No.
Okay, now it is one thing to even have stolen the Ofionto. That is a foundation gift. He does not have the right to take it. We now saw that he has taken it. We say, okay, maybe he's going to give it to the common man. But he sold it for the common man.
No.
And you say you work for us.
I work for you.
Yes, but for the common man.
For common
Why did you take the Ofionto?
Ofioto.
Yes.
Ofioto.
Yes.
You did Ofioto.
No.
You did Ofioto. No, you did Ofioto.
No.
Yes.
You did Ofioto.
Yes.
You okay? You know that time. Now, I did the house.
Yes, so let us explain to the house.
I did the house.
Yes.
This man is stay Igwe. Listen to me. This man is stay Igwe.
That's nice.
As we come after we finish the foundation finish.
Yes.
Everybody now leave one by one. We call me and colleagues.
Yes.
And I ask him one question. Say, brother, how far will do this this Ofioto? He said, I don't need that move. Now I say, me, I don't need that move. But at the time, but the Ofioto will go lost. If you get that motor or dog fit carry on, it get dog or fit carry on. Now I remove the Ofioto. Carry the Ofioto. As I reach my junction, car was there. I go inside. I look for one guy, one common man like that. I carry the Ofioto down the common man.
No, you took money.
I removed the Ofioto to us.
First, he took it home.
I put it for.
You took it home.
Yes.
You took it home.
I covered the Ofioto.
In a pot.
As they break, I bath finish. As I come, I enter the hotel back. As I reach the hotel, I see, I don't see the guy already. He's a common man. I don't give the Ofioto. Finish. That is the way.
And you collected money.
No, I don't collect money.
Information reaching the foundation was that he sold the foundation of Yonto for that man. And how much did you sell it? How much was given to you?
I don't sell Ofioto.
Did they give you money?
They touch me money.
No. No, the members of the public are listening to you. Other could be watching you now.
Yes, they watch me.
You said you gave him Ofionto.
Yes, I dash her.
Then
It dash me something.
how much did they give you?
Something.
So he took the foundation gift and ate it alone.
Oh God.
Yeah, but we will forgive him because some of you are saying on your comment section, like Sandy Babe, he said forgive him is your very good son.
No,
That's
no,
fine.
no. Not your son. His brother.
No.
Not the son.
How come I gave out your hand in marriage to Obano Charity Silver last night? Did you not receive money as bride price last night?
No.
I gave you money.
No, listen to me.
To marriage.
Somebody give the crew money. It's not married. My married money, I'll share that with everybody.
She said
Yes.
that I am giving this money because of my husband. Okay? And who is the husband that she wants to marry for bringing the money?
Who?
He dash community money.
As what?
As what?
As a good guy.
No, that's wrong.
What?
You should have read our comment section.
Okay.
She said, I am sending this to my husband
Okay.
so that you can forget Uchenna Willie,
Okay.
who promised to marry you,
Yes.
and you got all of us to dress up, one native, Agbada and everything to this office. The videos are there. Then she did not come.
Yes.
This lady now said she will wipe away your tears. She now decided to marry you,
Okay.
and she had set up some amount of money, of which we received, and I gave it to him this morning.
Through your
Foundation account.
through your no, it cannot go to you. It go to I will send them all. That they will not send me my money.
No.
Why?
That time you are now the foundation.
No, you see you. That's
Yes.
why you do it. That's
Yes.
Is that why you argue with your father?
Yes.
Is that the reason you
My
argue?
father.
Please take your seat. You cannot be standing up when you are addressing me. Please sit down. You should sit down. You know, so but give and take. We on behalf of Collins Imudia Foundation, I think we gave his hand out in marriage. Am I speaking your mind, please?
No, you gave his hand. I was his best man.
Exactly.
Me sitting here was his best man.
And the makeup artist was
The
here.
makeup artist was here.
Sandra made him up. He made him up.
And that's why we are appealing now. Whatsoever the father has done to him wrong, please forgive and forget your dad.
Okay.
Yes, I forgive him.
Okay.
Yes, we are begging on his behalf.
I have not offended him.
It's not easy to have a father. It's not easy to have a father.
I did not offend him, but if in the course of giving him a choice of wife, and Uchenna Willie decide to disappoint me, I will say I'm sorry. Please accept
Your dad is
apologies from the foundation.
He choose her for you.
On behalf of the foundation, members of the supporters are saying we are sorry for the disappointment.
Sorry, very sorry.
But God has not left you alone. He brought Obano Charity Silver, of which you have used this your mouth to eat the money she brought to you this morning.
You accepted your wife.
You've accepted.
Yes.
Didn't you accept?
Yes. Are you okay now?
Yeah, and as my good son.
No, don't put some.
I thought we have resolved this.
No.
I did not spoil your marriage.
He apologized to you.
I got a marriage for you as my good son at 42. You cannot be.
I don't do it again.
No, at 42, we decide to look out for him as a common man. And we asked him, what should we do for you? He now came out. Sit down, please take your seat. Please take your seat. He now came out to tell us that he needs a wife. Mercy Love then now wanted to even come in, but Obano Charity Silver went very fast. And as it stands, we have decided to give him a wife. You cannot imagine a 42-year-old man with this kind of side beard.
He's 32.
No, he's 42.
30. Are you 42?
Yes, you are 42.
He knows when he gave birth to you. He knows when he gave birth to you.
He cannot be my father.
He knows when he gave birth to
You are 42. Okay, I can reduce it to love to 41. 41 is okay. Let us assume that this year has not finished.
God bless you.
Amen. So let's assume this year has not finished. You know, so but that's the show today, ladies and gentlemen. Just to crack your ribs a little, we decide to make you have fun. Yeah, we are Collins Emudia Foundation, and we are proud to be associated with all of you. So please keep doing good across the world. If you promise any of these people, please see to the remittance, so that we can set the ball rolling. God bless you all for joining me today. Please share this video if you missed any part. If you missed any part of our video and you want to watch them, please feel free to go to our YouTube. We are Collins Emudia Foundation International. Just type it on YouTube, Collins Emudia Foundation International, and subscribe to our YouTube. Then you can watch all of our videos, previous videos. God bless you. Florence Mamadou, thank you so much for being with us today. Yeah, and then on Instagram you can also join us. Just type Collins Emudia Foundation 2020 on Instagram. Follow us and we'll follow you back. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscription is free. Just subscribe and let us get to do this together. I'll be with you again tomorrow. I'll be with you again anytime. I can be live at any time if the need arise. Yeah, so God bless you all and stay safe. Don't forget to share this video. Thank you.
Now we don't hear from these women, their story where they carry come. If you like to support them, Collins Emudia Foundation phone number dey this video. You fit call Collins, make you discuss with am the kind help where you go like give these women wey come in office today. And before you go, I beg make you help us share this video. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.